late this afternoon, nagni-negotiate pa. But the word is out. Alam na kung sino yung mananalo. At handpicked naman ito ni Congressman Sandro Marcos. Well, of course, all of this, by the way, is kwento, ha? Siyempre, may mga sources tayo from everywhere and we're putting together the story. So, So, ito yung sinasabi natin. Okay, ito yung sinasabi natin is that, well, may konting pagbabagong nangyayari but we cannot stop here. So, ayan, isipin niyo Martin Romualdez nagne-negotiate to stay a little longer. How the times have changed. Bukod pa dyan, mayroon pa kaming naririnig. Ayon dun sa bubuit na nandun sa House of Representatives, ay busy daw dun sa Office of the Speaker, nag-shred ng dokumento. Okay? Ulitin ko, nag-shred daw sila ng mga dokumento doon. What does this mean? It means alam niya kahit paano he is not immune na mayroon magkakaroon ng investigasyon sa kanya and he is playing it safe by shredding the evidence.